Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing quality inputs and a safe workspace. First, choose RAW when available or the least compressed JPEG because more data means better results. Once done, enable backup and versioning in the app so you can revert. That prevents accidental loss. Then run the app's auto-analyze to map noise, exposure, and color cast. This gives measurable targets. Now you have a baseline and a restore point. Proceed to targeted corrections rather than blanket filters. Now you tackle detailed corrections that change quality. Use curves for exposure control so you can protect highlights while lifting shadows. This preserves dynamic range. Next, apply selective noise reduction, treat luminance and color noise differently and set radius between 0, 5 and 2, 0 pixels to avoid softness. Then move to local edits. Heal sensor dust, dodge, and burn to shape contrast, and consider frequency separation for texture versus color cleanup. Finish by preparing the image for its destination. You should sharpen based on output size, using modest radius and amount so you enhance detail without halos. Export using the correct format and resolution. Balance compression to avoid visible blocks. Then inspect at 100% for artifacts. If you notice halos, banding, or grain, undo the last operation and lower sharpening or noise reduction intensity. Alternatively, reprocess with a milder curve. That troubleshooting step usually resolves common quality regressions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.